it's Mandy here. Today I'm here to share a card I made using the Obsessed with Floral background stamp. I stamped it onto some white cardstock and used my scallop stitch frame die and ran that through my die cutting machine. Then I just flipped the edge over and kept the insert and then stuck that onto some black card on a white card base. Then I took the sentiment from the Faith Looks Up kit and I stamped it onto some black card and heat embossed it with white embossing powder. And then I just stuck that on with some foam adhesive squares. Finally, I added some gemstones just for a couple of embellishments. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!